second stop namin. So, nandito muna kami tumigil sa Misfelbron Castle. We are now here by Misfelbron Castle. And do you know that this castle is in the middle of the Black Forest? Nasa gitna siya talaga ng Black Forest. So, hahanapin namin siya. Lakad, mga anak. Look. Diba? Ang lalaki ng puno. We are by the Black Forest here in Germany. Look, and the castle is in the middle of the Black Forest. Grabe, forest. Ang taas ng puno, diba? Oh, ayan. Ang ganda ng forest dito. At ang castle, kagandahan ng castle na to, it's in the middle of the forest. Look. Hindi pa namin makita. You need to walk at least half kilometers. And there's the castle. Wow. So, picture. So, we're here in Misfelbron Castle. This castle is from 1400 or 1200. Super tagal na siya. At nakaka-amaze is in the middle talaga ng forest. Sa Black Forest. But we don't go inside kasi wala kaming time. So, kaya dito lang kami sa labas. Next time na lang natin i-explore ang loob ng castle. So, balik na tayo. Tinignan lang namin kung talagang maganda yung forest sa gitna ng castle. And it's really beautiful. Talagang nasa gitna siya ng forest. At least nakapag-inat-inat kami. O, diba? Ang ganda ng forest. Nasa gitna siya ang ganda ng forest. Ang ganda ng castle talaga. Sa gitna ng forest. O, ayan o. Ganda niya o. Tapos nasa gitna siya ng tubig. Talagang castle na castle siya. Look. It's really so beautiful. Sayang, we don't have enough time to explore inside the castle. At syempre, magbabayad ka naman kung talagang pupunta ka sa loob. Hindi mo naman mai-enjoy dahil nagmamadali kami. It's just our second stop on the way to Croatia, but we will sleep today in Czech Republic. So, next time na lang, mga kapatid, mga kalakwatsera, we will explore that castle. Yes, kaya picnic na lang kami muna dito outside the castle at saka picture outside the castle. Look, it's really also beautiful in the surrounding here. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda rito. Kaya mag-picnic na tayo dito because it's not allowed to have a picnic inside by the castle area actually. So, dito na lang tayo. And then, halis na tayo. This is the Misfelbron place. Look, Misfelbron. Nice place, ha? Maganda. Small, but nice.